Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, and then you have to go to the Do Not Disturb. By tapping here you can enable this mode. You can also enable this feature, timer power on, and it's like a schedule or something, and you can set the schedule for this mode when it automatically turns on and turns off. You can also add some exceptions for this mode, like notifications, calls, messages, and other types of interruptions here, like app notifications, calls, and messages, and also repeated calls. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.